Welcome to Salma's Artistry. Today I am going to show you about the double pencil method for Arabic calligraphy. In this method, you need 2 pencils, 2 rubber bands and an eraser. So for this method, this is a simple method and it's useful for all the beginners who are going to try Arabic calligraphy. For this, you will have to hold the pencils tightly together in a straight line like this and then tie them up with the 2 rubber bands, one near the tip of the pencil and another at the end of the pencil. You can create wonderful artworks, canvas Arabic calligraphy artworks using this method. I'll show you one of the paintings I have done at the end of the video, so please do watch the full video. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, like and share this video. So make sure that the tips are in the same line. Okay, once they're together, now you can start doing the calligraphy, and this is the calligraphy I'm going to do today, maashaaallah. You can take your own reference, you can take whichever words you want and you can try this method. I'm sure this is really helpful. I have taken A4 size paper. Usually calligraphy is done in glossy or magazine paper so that the colors or the inks can flow smoothly while writing. It's okay for practice, we can take A4 size paper, and since this is a double pencil method, you're going to color inside. So hold the paper properly, go through the reference and draw accordingly. In Arabic calligraphy, the letters are written according to measurements based on the nuktas and all. So even if we are using the double pencil method, at least make sure that the letters you write are according to the reference. All the writings should be according to the reference. The letters which are smaller should be written smaller and those which are bigger should be bigger. Please make sure that you write according to the reference. Only then it will get a calligraphy look. And this is a black calligraphy pen. It is called a calligraphy pen because you can see the tip of the pen. It is chisel shaped. Calligraphers use this directly to do the calligraphy, especially for small letterings. Here I'll be using this for my outlines and I'll be coloring inside with bigger chisel marker. So this is one of my acrylic painting I have done using double pencil method. I have painted the background black and then painted using the golden color after doing the double pencil method calligraphy. So similarly, you can also create many beautiful artworks using this method. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please do subscribe to my channel, like and share this video to your friends and family. Thank you.